Okay, now let's start the third video for today, where we are going to take particularly what is given in your books, transformation in your book, what generally the formulas are given. Like we in standard 10th, we learned sine 90 minus theta cos 90 minus theta 10 90 minus theta. uh, Sorry, I'll uh, change the color. Okay, doesn't matter. Then 90 minus theta cosec 90 minus theta sec 90 minus theta and cot 90 minus theta. 90 is simply what I'm going to write in radians also, sine pi by 2 minus theta cos pi by 2 minus theta, which generally we are going to use. You can use both, there is no problem. 10 pi by 2 minus theta. Cosec pi by 2 minus theta. Cosec uh, sec pi by 2 minus theta and cot pi by 2 minus theta. It is one and the same thing. In the first, I have written in the form of degrees. In the second, I have written in terms of radians. And I'm going to write the answer in blue. In another color, I'll take a black color. I'll take a black color. Because it is pi by 2 minus theta, it is all going to come into the first quadrant and because it is pi by 2, so its sign will change to cos theta will change to sin theta, tan theta will change to cot theta, cosec will change to sec theta will change to cosec theta, and cot theta will change into tan theta. Sine into cos into sine, tan into cot into sine, cosec into sec, and sec into cosec. In the first quadrant, all the ratios are positive, so plus sign is there. Now let us see 90 plus theta. Let's see sine 90 plus theta, seventh. Sine 90 plus theta, or I write sine pi by 2 plus theta. Both the things I am writing for you. Cos 90 plus theta, cos pi by 2 plus theta, tan 90 plus theta, tan pi by 2 plus theta, cosec 90 plus theta, cosec pi by 2 plus theta. Then 11th we will write as sec 90 plus theta or sec pi by 2 plus theta, and then 12 I will write cot 90 plus theta, cot pi by 2 plus theta. These first and two are the same thing, except in the first line I have written in terms of degrees, and the second I have written in terms of what? Radians. Now 90 plus theta means it is going to fall into the second quadrant. And pi by 2, it is pi by 2 plus theta. It is pi by 2 plus theta. That means what is going to happen? Pi by 2 plus theta means it is going to go into the second quadrant, and in the second quadrant what is positive? Sine and cosec. Sine and cosec. Sine will change into cos, so it will be remaining positive. Cosec will change into sec, so it will remain positive. Cos will change into minus sine theta. Tan will change into minus cot theta. Sec will change into minus cosec theta, and cot theta will change into minus tan theta. Is that clear? Is that clear? Now it is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now to let's go to uh, another 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta. Now let us come to 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta. Sine 180 plus theta. Let's go minus first. Let's go minus first. Sine 180 minus theta, or it could be sine pi minus theta. 14 cos 180 minus theta, cos pi minus theta, tan 180 minus theta, tan pi minus theta, cosec 180 minus theta, cosec pi minus theta, sec 180 minus theta, sec pi minus theta, and cos tan cosec sec, and then cot. Cot 180 minus theta is cot pi minus theta. Okay, when we are saying pi 180 minus, that means pi is an odd multiple. Pi is an odd multiple. It is going to be along OX dash. OX dash minus theta, again it is going to come into the second quadrant. But sine will remain sine here because it is pi minus theta. So sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, this cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. And in the second quadrant, 180 minus theta is going to come into second quadrant. So in the second quadrant, what do we have? Only sine and cosec are positive. Sine is positive, cosec is positive. The rest are negative. The rest are negative. The rest are negative. Now let's see plus 19. Sine 180 plus theta, sine pi plus theta, cos 180 plus theta, cos pi plus theta. In radian and degrees I have written both, whichever you will want to use. 21 10 180 plus theta, 10 pi plus theta, cosec 180 plus theta, cosec pi plus theta, sec 180 plus theta, sec pi plus theta. This will give you an idea about the quadrant. Which quadrant are we going to go in? 24 is cot 180 plus theta. When I talking of pi plus theta or 180 plus theta, it is going to go into the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, what happens is, in the third quadrant, tan and cot are only positive. Tan and cot are only positive. Tan and cot are positive. Tan theta will remain tan theta and cot will remain cot theta. The rest all will become negative. It will become minus sine theta. It will become minus cos theta. It will become minus cosec theta. It will become minus sec theta. Only tan and cot are positive. In the third quadrant, add sugar to coffee. So we started with sine 90 minus theta, sine 90 plus theta, sine 180 minus theta, now 270. Now 270. Sine 270 minus theta, or sine 270 means what? 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 plus theta. 26 cos 270, it is minus theta we are talking. 270 minus theta. Cos 3 pi by 2 minus theta. 27 10 270 minus theta is 10 3 pi by 2 minus theta. Cosec 270 minus theta. Cosec 270, sorry, three pi by 2 minus theta. Sec 270 minus theta, or sec 3 pi by 2 minus theta, and then it will come cot 270 minus theta and cot 3 pi by 2 minus theta. Now again it is multiple of pi by 2, so sine will change into cos. Remember that. That is very important to remember. Sorry. Sine will change into cos, cos will change into sine. So we can write first of all that only. Sine will change into cos theta will change into sine theta, tan theta will change to cot theta, cosec theta will change to sec theta will change to cosec theta, and cot theta will change to tan theta. But they are 270 minus theta means 270 or 3 pi by 2 is going to fall along y dash, and minus theta means third quadrant. In third quadrant only tan and cot are positive, the rest are negative. Tan and cot are positive, the rest are negative. Only tan and cot are positive. Only tan and cot are positive. Now we will do 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta, like 31. Sine 270 plus theta, sine 3 pi by 2 plus theta, cos 270 plus theta, cos 3 pi by 2 plus theta, tan 270 plus theta, and this will become tan 3 pi by 2 plus theta. Cosec 270 plus theta, this All will be given your, only these things will be given in your book. The questions which we have done are much beyond that. Sec 270 plus theta, sec 3 pi by 2 plus theta, and cosec sec and cot 270 plus theta, or cot 3 pi by 2 plus theta. When we are talking of 3 pi by 2 plus theta, 270 is falling along y dash. First of all, pi by 2 plus theta, so signs will change. Sine will change into cos theta, cos will change into sine theta, tan will change into cot theta, cosec will change into sec theta will change into cosec theta, and cot theta will change into tan theta. And it is 270 plus theta, that means it is coming into the fourth quadrant. Plus theta, 270 plus theta, fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cos and sec are only positive. Cos and sec are only positive. Cos and sec are positive. Just let me see. We are decided by the left hand side. We are decided by the left hand side. I'll have to go back and check earlier also. Pi by 2. Uh, Sine changes into cos. Cos changes into minus sine theta. Tan will remain. No, only cos is positive. Sorry. In the fourth quadrant, you see, you make a mistake like this. Let's see the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, what is happening is 270 plus theta. Only in the fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive. So this is positive, cos, and sec is positive. The rest all are negative. I want to check one before this. Minus theta. 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta means they are coming into third quadrant, and in third quadrant what happens? Which are positive? In the third quadrant, tan and cot are positive. Tan are positive and cot are positive, the rest are negative. That I had done right, there's no problem. So we have discussed 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta. Then we discussed 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta. Now let us talk of 360 minus theta, 360 plus theta. Sine 360 plus theta, or we start with negative. We start with negative. 360 minus theta. So sine 360 means 2 pi minus theta. Cos 360 minus theta, cos 2 pi minus theta, sine will remain sine, cos will remain cos. Then tan 360 minus theta will be tan 2 pi minus theta, will remain tan theta. Sine I will associate later. Cosec 360 minus theta is equal to cosec 2 pi minus theta will remain cosec theta only, because it is multiples of pi, so there is no change. 41 is sec 360 minus theta will remain sec 360 2 pi minus theta. I am writing both in degrees as well as in radians. And after this, cot 360 minus theta and cot 2 pi minus theta. It is going to come into the fourth quadrant. It is going to come into the fourth quadrant. 360 minus theta. 2 pi minus theta. In the fourth quadrant, what are positive? Cos and sec. So cos is positive, and in front of sec I'll put positive. The rest are all negative. All negative. All negative. And the last one is sine 360 plus theta, or sine 2 pi plus theta will remain sine theta only. They are coming in the first quadrant. They are going to come into the first quadrant. 360 plus theta will come into uh, sine 360 plus theta, or sine 2 pi plus theta means the first quadrant. In the first quadrant everything is positive, so we are not going to bother about the anything, just keep writing plus. 360 plus theta, cos 2 pi plus theta will remain cos theta only. Then it is tan 360 plus theta, tan 2 pi plus theta. Fourth quadrant, it is all falling in the fourth quadrant, tan theta. Then it is cosec 360 plus theta, cosec 2 pi plus theta is equal to cosec theta sec 360 plus theta is equal to sec 2 pi plus theta. I've increased a little work for myself as well as for you, because I'm writing in radians and degrees both, but it's okay. This gives you 48 formulas. Actually is nothing, it's very simple, because based on this we have done everything. Let me check 91 again. Sine 90 minus theta will obviously be positive. In the second quadrant only sine and cosec are positive. And sine and cosec are positive. The rest are all negative. Because you have to remember that it is decided like sine will remain plus cos and cosec will remain sec. The rest will become negative. Cos will become negative, tan will become, the result of tan will become negative, sec will negative, and cot will become negative. 180 plus theta, there is no problem. So these are all the formulas related to the transformation. These are transformation, starting with 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 360 plus theta, 360 minus theta. Actually, it is what's happening is when I'm talking of 90 and 270, when I'm talking of 90 and 270, I'm taking complete y-axis, and that covers all the fourth quadrant. That covers all the fourth quadrant. Similarly, when we are taking x-axis and I'm talking of 180 plus theta, 180 minus theta, or 360 minus theta, 360 plus theta, then also I am covering all the four quadrants. So this way, all the four quadrants, whether with respect to x-axis or with respect to y-axis, are covered. And these are repetitive angles. We will be discussing that also. So there shall not be any problem. This will be all for today. Thank you.